Crew, we are here at the Porsche Experience Center in Los Angeles to drive this. It's a 919 hybrid LMP1 car. No, I'm just kidding. But we are here to drive something pretty darn cool on their driver development track. Let's get to it. Now that I have my all-important lanyard, I can hang out here, wait for my driver development coach, and watch them work on Porsche motorsport vehicles, or check out their latest cars. And here's our steed for today, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, up to 750 horsepower, and our instructor, Gianfranco, is here.
Hey guys, good morning. So 27 years of racing experience. We're gonna lay some rubber down the asphalt, have some fun, enjoy some speed, and let's see all the skills you're gonna get from me today.
We're gonna start with the acceleration straight in the Taycan Turbo S, arguably this car's most impressive feature, the acceleration. 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds. And we're probably gonna get up to like 130 miles per hour on this straight before we have to brake.
I'm gonna brake in full power.
There we go.
3, 2, 1, go, go, go.
Oh! Breathless. Oh my goodness.
And braking.
Oh, geez, that's fast. And now I need to be above 45 to go through the carousel that's mimicked after the Nürburgring carousel. Popping out. I'm jittering. That was so nuts. I think the fact that you can do this repeatedly is the most impressive part, right? The acceleration's amazing, but you can just keep doing the launch controls, and we're gonna see how close it was to the first run that I did this.
2, 1, go, go, go.
Oh my gosh! I'm actually accelerating on them pretty quick here. I'm gonna have to brake earlier. Oh, the carousel is fun. That was just as aggressive as the first run, and you don't get used to it. Come on. I'm happy. Good morning. Good morning.
Let's go to the next exercise. So, off the power to the right, and on the brakes to the left. You can come a little closer to me here.
Okay.
Reach your second apex. I'm going wider. We timed that very well. Let's put our right blinker on here. We're gonna enter this exercise on the right side. The lane to the left. Imagine the course pointing to the left, and you're pointing me to the right, pointing me to the left. This is the last one. You go on the power into the checkpoint. So every time you see two white cones, they are your checkpoint. So you make a right. When you're going fast, you're going to need braking into this corner here, and when you start straightening your wheel, you start squeezing the power. On the left side, you have 3, 2, 1, orange cones, counting up for you to make a right. You're going to smash your brake pedal somewhere before the white cones in there, the last checkpoint, and your car is going to be able to stop inside of the stop box.
Here, keep here, too much speed, push over, onto the nose. Braking and onto the power fully, and I need to be braking here. Oh, I'm between the cones. Yes.
Okay. Really smash
even harder. Okay.
Yeah, even harder,
okay.
Because you can use cars ABS, torque vector, and rear axle steering with the stability management to figure out how to make the corner and stop the car at the same time.
Okay.
So you did it beautiful. You made the right hander.
Yeah.
Make the right, smack that brake.
So launch control and let go. And ease off it so I get through these corners nice and quick. Accelerate. Oh my gosh, there's so much more power to be had there. Okay, we're getting it back, coming around hard on that. Making right. Oh my gosh, there is more braking.
So the low friction circle, we are in a very long wheelbase car, right? So long wheelbase cars are known to understeer quite a bit. Understeer means you're turning and the front of the car is not gripping, you're going straight off the corner. So our brain tells us when you're turning a little bit and your car starts going straight, your brain is telling you the whole time, turn more. And you go and you turn more, it's logical, right? So you're turning more and you are aggravating the understeer situation because the more you turn, you're not only putting your tires into the corner, but now your tire is touching less of the pavement. You're adding negative camber to the tires. So a little bit of your tire gonna be touching the ground and you're aggravating your understeer. So instead of turning more, you just keep turning the amount you are and you back up your gas pedal. So you put weight on the nose of the car and you help the front tires gripping down.
So just
DSM is off.
I'm driving on top of the circle here, gonna go up to speed. I'm driving at 17 miles an hour. Nothing is happening. Look at this, 17. I'm about to break loose. 18 miles an hour, 19 miles an hour. My car's going sideways. I turn right and I give power. Look at that. And now I can start doing all-wheel burnout in here, and I'm going even 90 degrees into the circle. Look at this. I just point my nose anywhere I want. I'm doing 48 miles an hour right now. Look at this. Straight steering wheel. I'm 90 degrees with the circle. Just focusing on the center of the circle. If you think you're going too wide on the back, a little less power. If you think you're going too close into the circle, a little more power. Kick on the pedal. Power, 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 power. Stay on, stay on. Look at that. And now be careful of your speed right now.
Okay.
So the only thing you need to know right now, there was a lot of power. There was a
Kick.
Carry on, carry on. Alright, reset. As soon as you understeer off the gas, put the weight on the nose and you reset on the power.
Okay. Here we go. We're getting it now, folks. Can't see anything anymore. But guys, we're doing it. Guys, we're doing it. And I'm coming out now.
Okay, that was really good. There was 2 laps, 2 entire laps drifting. That was beautiful.
Alright, so the kick plate is a hydraulically activated plate. It's flush mounted to the ground. It moves left and right. So this exercise simulates a hydroplaning situation, like in a very heavy rain, in a rainy day. So you're driving 70, 80 miles an hour in real life. That's what's gonna happen to you. And the kick plate is kind of like a surprise element here for us. And the reason the exercise name is the kick plate is because when you drive through the plate, it kicks you the back of the car, like getting T-boned by a bus in a rainy day. I'm gonna go first, so you have the chance to see what's happening to me.
20, I would do a 25, 29 miles an hour. Let's see what happens. Boom, big hit. I'm turning right.
All right, so we're gonna cruise at 25 miles per hour, he said, and stay at that speed. Okay, so corrected it, kept the speed going, and we're good.
Now we're gonna drive on the correct line. We go always close to the yellow cone, so to the right and to the left. As soon as you feel the front of your car understeering, you stay off the power. And my car is understeering big time. And then here you make a right and you lift off the power and should make the back of your car slide a little bit. The Taycans are very long cars. So now I turn right, I go off the power, and at the end I hammer the power and send my car sideways. There we go. And then here, same thing. Then you hit your pedal and you send the car sideways. Beautiful gliding there. We are recovering our car from understeer to an oversteer situation.
And that ends our session in the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Gianfranco, thank you so much. And with that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again next time.